Hello everybody, and thank you for joining me again on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing for you another Outre Wigpop wig, and the name of this unit is Rossie. So if you are interested, I want you to stay right where you are, and I'll be back with some additional information. Let's jump right into the specifications for this particular wig. This is what the construction cap looks like in the wig. We do have 3 combs. 2 combs are positioned on the right and left side. We do have the comb at the nape of the wig along with the adjustable band. So that's the inside construction of the wig. And this is the color, and we'll talk more about that shortly. Just wanted you to get the specifications, and I'll provide additional information regarding this wig in a little bit. I am back wearing Rossie, and this is what she looks like. I am wearing the color DR2 Golden Amber. This is what she looks like close up. Let me do a 360 so that you can see all sides of Rossie. I'm liking Rossie because she is that ideal length. She's not too long, she's not too short. She is ideal for work and for play. So that's a really good thing about Rossie. I love the color. Let's talk about some other fantastic things for this particular wig. She can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat according to the stock card here. She does come in some additional trendy colors. So on the back of the stock card, it offers the different colors that you can get Rossie in. She is big head friendly. I know that's a question that a lot of my viewers ask. She fits comfortably on my head, and you all know I always say I have a huge head, so if it fits me, it's ideal for you. But the adjustable band will allow you to customize that fit, so don't worry about that. What I do like about the Wigpop line from Outre is it is a ready-to-go wig. You can put it on, and that's exactly what I did. I simply put it on, and it's already in a style. I simply took my fingers, fluffed it up a bit to my liking, and I am ready to go. I like that. You know, ladies, sometimes that lace front can be a pain. You gotta cut it, make it look realistic. Some of them are really good, don't get me wrong, and I like my lace front wigs as well. But sometimes just putting a wig on and going is the way to go. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, this is Rossie. I'm enjoying her. Look in the description box below for additional information, where I purchased it, the cost, everything will be provided there. While I have your attention, don't forget to subscribe. If you're liking these videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I actually release videos every Monday, and I have been faithful and consistent with doing that. So I hope you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, you know what I always say, take care of yourself and definitely each other, and I'll be back next week Monday. Talk to you soon.